Hey, it's me again, joined by attorney Tom Olson, because every Tuesday and Thursday at this time we bring you Olson on Law. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners.
All right, our topic this morning: if you die and your children inherit your money, will their spouse get some of it if your child gets divorced? Interesting. Tom, I know that you have done thousands of wills over your 40-year legal career. Most parents will leave everything to their children, but how often do parents include the son-in-law or daughter-in-law in their wills?
Alan, in all my years of practice, I say less than 10 times have the client included a son-in-law or a daughter-in-law, so it's very rare. Most of my clients leave everything to their children with the provision that if that child dies before them, his or her share would go to his or her children, which is my client's grandchildren.
So do parents worry that a daughter-in-law or son-in-law might wind up with part of their money?
Alan, it is a very common concern, and clients often ask me about that very issue.
Okay, so let's assume that a son survives his parents, inherits his parents' money, and then he gets divorced. Will his wife get some of what the son inherited from his parents?
If the son keeps the inherited asset in his name only, whether it's a cash in a bank account or a piece of property, and he gets divorced, he's going to leave with it. If he takes that cash account and adds his wife's name to it, or takes the inherited property and adds her name to the deed, and they get divorced, then she's going to end up with one half of it. So I tell my clients, have a quiet conversation with their kids and tell them, look, after we pass away and you inherit our assets, keep those assets in your name only.
Yes, a quiet conversation. We don't want anybody overhearing what's going on here. If you have legal questions, Tom will be happy to answer them on the Olson on Law show. That is heard Saturdays at 10 a.m., and it's on our sister station, 96.9 The Game. Just a reminder that Tom and I do these Tuesday and Thursday morning segments on Zoom. You can watch the video live or later on Twitter and Facebook. Tom, thanks very much as always, and we will see you next time.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olson Law Group in Orlando.